Here's how to delete a playlist on YouTube. Now, if you're on YouTube on your iPhone, Android, or even a computer, and you saved someone else's playlist, or maybe it's your own playlist, you can always access those playlists and, of course, delete them by tapping on the U button at the bottom right. Or if you're on a computer, it'll be the 3 lines at the top left. Now, you can see playlists here. It works a little different if it is one of your playlists. If it is one of your playlists, all you need to do is tap the 3 dots right next to it, and then tap on the delete button at the bottom, and then just choose delete. However, you can see this is someone else's playlist, not a playlist that I created. And on here, to remove it from there, I need to tap on it to open up that playlist. And then right next to the play all is that little save button. I can tap on it, and just like that, it is unselected. And if I go back out of here and refresh this, now you can see it has been removed. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below with your thoughts on this video. I'm eager to hear them.